What's up guys, welcome to my video. So we're gonna be playing P-Bio. So there's gonna be a video. You can see the link, you can see the title. I'm playing P-Bio. And so I'm gonna play it like 3 or 4 times. I'm gonna make it parts, and so you can see in the title. Alright, let's get into the video. So we're here right now. I'm part of the 42 team, right? And so you can go check this game out in the link in the description. And so when you check the link out, you can also subscribe so you get some of my new videos. So next time in the description I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be playing. And so after that I'm going to play this for about 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay. And so we got some wood. You can see down there. If you can see 23 wood. And food heal you in this game. Don't forget, AWSD is how you play. And so the mouse in the top left corner right there, you can see, you can craft them. And so let's get into building. So get into building. And so in the middle of the day, okay, you could join my Discord. You could join my Discord. I'm gonna let part 1 show. I'm gonna be on this Discord for a long time, and so I'm gonna be on this for a long time, so you can come check me out. It's in New York 1. It's in New York 1. And so when you go to P-Bio, you can play with me. I might shoot a live stream or not. Maybe so. But probably not. So Carlos is right here. I don't know who that guy is. I'm not gonna kill him. I'm not gonna mess with him. He might kill me. He might got a slick up his back. So I'm gonna leave him alone. I'm gonna tell him to check my channel. So I tell him to look at my channel. Whew. Okay. He got us slow. Let's go get some food and eat it. It's like basically like this. You basically like Minecraft. You eat food but heal up. But you gotta get a full health bar. Or okay, we got our food, and if you see the numbers on your keyboard, just click the steam or press space to eat the food. So I'm gonna keep chopping this thing so I can get unlimited food. So when somebody takes me, I can just get ready. Okay, we're not gonna call this the end of the video, but I'll see y'all next time. But we're gonna keep going until this video goes off. So bye. We're gonna show a part 2. We're gonna show a part 2 today. And so you should be there when the part 2 starts. Bye.